Hey guys, welcome to my videos. You see ice formation here. Why? Because you see this outlet, this is coming from the gutters. Okay, so I have two at this area, and around this area you see a thin layer of ice has been formed because wow, yesterday the temperature was slightly positive and water fell, and because today again it has gone below zero, so ice has formed. So this is a very dangerous area, really very dangerous area, because snow is still better to walk upon, but ice is dangerous, too dangerous. Okay, so what I would recommend as a homeowner here and anywhere else you are, that whatever happens in the world every day, make sure you do salting of this area and anywhere you find such ice, because it's too dangerous for anyone to walk across. And to be honest, just few days back I also fell on it. Okay, luckily I did not get major injuries, but I had fallen, and I have got a lesson that every day morning I do it, and salting here, and I'm gonna do it for whole winter because it's a very dangerous area. Make sure you do, because if snow is formed, it is still manageable with normal shoes, but if ice like this is formed, it's very dangerous. A slight mistake and then is imagine someone falling on this concrete surface. It could be very dangerous. I don't want to say, but you have understood. That's what I wanted to convey, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.